Aww. Hey guys, this is my second video. Here's my cat Gizmo. He is adorable. Say hi, Gizmo. 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 This is my second video on Unicorn Girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. I'm going to show you my cat. He is Gizmo. I love this cat. Hey, I'm gonna try not to startle him. I'm gonna sing them. Ooh, you make me live. Whatever this world can give to me, it's you that is all I see. Ooh, you make me live. You're my best friend that I ever had. I've been with you such a long time. You're my sunshine, and I want you to know that my feelings are true. I really love you. Ooh, oh, you're my best friend. Ooh, you make me live. Oh, I've been wondering if you'll come back. I know happy at home, you're my best friend. Ooh, I've been wondering why. Well, Gizmo, hey Gizmo. Gizmo is facing the screen right now, and here he is. Well, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe.